What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be smoking some chicken wings. Some good old chicken wings, good for the Super Bowl parties, football Sundays. It's about a 2-hour cook, and we're gonna be smoking it on my Weber Smokey Mountain. Be cooking it around 260, 270, around there. This bag right here. It's the good old oak and hickory lump charcoal, so they burn a little bit hotter. Alright guys, so we got the chicken wings here, marinated. I marinated them for about 3 hours. I recommend doing them overnight, but 3 hours still soak in just fine. I marinated them with some Italian dressing, some Worcestershire sauce, and this time I used some red hot wing sauce, and also some butter, just to give it a little bit of a kick. Okay, put that in there. Then I'm just gonna throw the wings right here. A little extra dishes, but no biggie. You don't want all that extra seasoning. They're already marinated. Throw them in there. All right, so here's my salt, pepper, garlic powder. Just mix it around. And then now I'm gonna hit him with a little bit of the Killer Hogs barbecue. This will give him more of the barbecue taste. I already got the hot sauce marinated in. I'm thinking about putting some more of the red hot wings on a few of them after I'm done. But this seasoning right here is the bee's knees. Just real light coat, because I might hit him one more time. On one side here. Then I'll flip them over and do them to the other side. Just about where we want it. I'm gonna throw in, right here I got a cherry wood and a hickory wood. Anytime you're cooking a bird, you wanna cook it something light, like maybe cherry, hickory, a little bit on the lighter side. They're ready to go, and we'll see how they taste. 45 minutes. I'm just flipping them over. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that hot barbecue on them. Put a little bit more seasoning on. And maybe give it another half hour, maybe 45 minutes. And she'll be done. It's cooking real good. All right, the wings are done. It took about an hour, 50 minutes at about 165. A little hot right now. But I mean, chicken, you put at about 165. It's safe to eat. 170, 180, no biggie. It's not gonna hurt the wings. Here it is, first bite. That's bomb. Right there. There you are. Chicken wings, smoked by yours truly.